Question of the Week from the Naked Scientists.
Hello and welcome to Question of the Week from the Naked Scientists with me, Diana O'Carroll. This week, do you ever get that expanding feeling?
Hello, this is Father Jerry Drummond. I know that the universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, and eventually that will approach the speed of light. So what's going to happen then? Will it go faster than the speed of light? Presumably that's not possible. Will it stop? Will it start reversing and go back to a big crunch? Thanks so much.
And our cosmological model answer?
So my name's Carolyn Crawford and I'm at the Institute of Astronomy here at Cambridge University. Okay, well the most straightforward part of that question is how fast the universe is expanding now, because this is something we actually measure. We call the current rate of expansion something called the Hubble constant, and that is really just a measure of how fast bits of the universe are moving away from us as a function of their distance. So as you go further out away from the Earth, bits of the universe are travelling ever faster. So for example, if you go to 30 million light years away, maybe you've got a bit of universe receding away from us about 700 kilometres per second. Go 10 times further to 300 million light years away, it's receding at 7,000 kilometres per second. And if you carried on going further and further away, yes, you do get a point where you're far enough away and that bit of the universe is moving away from us at speeds greater than the speed of light. So it is not a fundamental speed limit. The key thing here to realise is that the expansion of the universe is caused by just stretching of space, and that can be at any speed it likes, much greater than the light speed. The thing that is constrained by the light speed is the rate that things can move through space. So the expansion of the universe is the stretching of space and it's carrying the galaxies along for the ride, but any light, any signal and information from those galaxies can't travel faster than the speed of light. So in fact, the expansion of space is not constrained by how fast it's moving, it's constrained by how much stuff is in it, and that's going to determine whether the universe will contract or carry on expanding forever.
If space objects are moving away from us at a speed faster than light, then the light from them cannot travel fast enough to reach us. This means that one day in the distant future, our galaxy will end up looking out at a much darker space. But what about this crunch theory?
Whether or not the universe actually collapses back down on itself depends on how much matter there is in the universe and how much stuff there is to pull it back together under gravity. And really the current cosmological thinking is that with the presence of dark matter and dark energy, the universe is not going to contract. It's going to carry and expand. It's going to expand faster and faster and never go back to that big crunch at the end.
Current thought is that the universe will just keep expanding. To sum up, objects are moving away from us in space as space stretches, meaning that they can travel away from us faster than the speed of light. But those objects cannot move through space faster than the speed of light. Our Clever Clogs forumer this week was Imat Fal, who got it all right. Next week, we've a rather more basic question.
Hi, my name is Rob, and my question is, given that people can absorb medication in the form of suppositories, is it possible to absorb enough water to survive through their bottom?
What goes in might come out, but at which end? Answers to us by email with the address chris@thenakedscientist.com or write them on the forum, which can be found at thenakedscientist.com/forum.
Question of the Week is part of the Naked Scientists podcast and supported by the Wellcome Trust and UK Fast. Look us up online at nakedscientists.com.